All right, guys, 2004 Toyota Tundra V8. Got a true dual system on it. True dual X-pipe, straight pipe with 5-inch tips. So show you guys what we got done on it. Factory converter there, factory converter there. Comes down and then it wide into a single right here, but took that off. The true duals, X-pipe, straight pipe all the way back on 2 1/4, then over the rear end and out to 5-inch tips on each side. Pretty much like a 45 right there and right there. There it is. And then this is the old system that we've taken off right there. Placed it with all new. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Remember, guys, like, comment, and subscribe.
2006 Toyota Tundra 4.7 liter V8. Still has its stock cats right there and right there. And then we true dualed it all the way back, 2 1/4, all the way into 5-inch stainless steel exhaust tips. We'll have a link in the description for those. There you go. It's going to sound absolutely phenomenal.
Sound decibels on idle. Oh, it's right around 78, 79. Go ahead and give gas. Sound decibels again. Peaked at 112. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Woo!
Whoa. Damn. Sound decibels? 120, dude. Alright, back it out. Holy crap. That sounds great. I like the 4.7. Sounds a lot different than the 5.7. So much traffic as usual. That is so loud. You can still hear it. That is awesome.